Take a moment to check out the 2018 Chevrolet Spark. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Spark delivers the basics you need to get from point A to point B and adds efficiency, style, connectivity, advanced safety features, and hatchback convenience. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: backup camera, Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth connection, stability control, intermittent wipers, traction control, pass-through rear seat, floor mats, variable speed intermittent wipers, passenger vanity mirror. Small and efficient means safe and stylish in the Spark. See for yourself. Take it out for a spin.